Hey yo my people, welcome back guys. In this video, I want to show you 5 websites where you can make up to $500 with zero investments. They're totally free, no money, no nothing guys. So the websites you can browse from content writing jobs to skills, all the skills you have. This website is a must. You can program it, it can be anything. Come with me guys, let's check it guys. Always like the video, subscribe and share, and leave your comments. Let me know your feedback on this video guys. Let's go man. Blogger, it's a free website guys. You can join and find writing jobs from content writing to blog writing, article writing, anything. If you're a writer who likes writing man, and this website is most probably for you. Jobs are anywhere. You can see that worldwide. Some jobs are specific in locations, but this one, most jobs are worldwide. So you can find a job, you can apply the one that fits on the one you feel you're knowledgeable about. So you go there, you can see it's a website which just creates jobs man. You're not asked to apply, you just send your application, and once your application is approved, then you can start beginning working immediately with the clients. And the good thing man, in this website you get direct clients who pay quite some good amount of money compared to like when using Upwork or other writing websites. This website you deal with the client directly, so the chances you charging the client and adjusting the fee and agreeing with the client that is supposed to pay you such an amount is one of the best websites so far for blogger.com. So here is one of the best websites for getting direct clients. If you're looking for the best paying websites where you get highly paid, and then this website is for you. So you can say like now that job, you can send an application. Once you go back, you can also scroll down and few available jobs. You pick the one that you feel you are most comfortable or knowledgeable about. Like now this guy is looking for a content specialist. You can see the description is given. Of course, they give the qualifications, so you have to attach your samples, everything, so you can check it out guys, and you can send your application through an email or through this website. Of course, they leave every information. So this is a website which acts as a third party. It connects both job seekers and employers to get very highly qualified writers who can create highly quality content. So you can quick apply. If you are like competent in that job, you just apply and then you go there. If you're an employer, you can post a job, and you want somebody to work for, you can also post a job. So that is it guys. It's also another website. Let's go to the another website, which is from the most amazing website called Remote Task. Remote Task is one of the best also websites. You can check on it. You're not required to pay anything, make money doing tasks, very simple tasks guys. So it's a very easy website. You can log in, create an account. It's very fast and efficient. So once you've created an account, and then you can learn how it works. Of course, there's a class or a tutorials where you have to learn like how this website works. So once you've registered yourself, and then you can log in and then register and start working immediately. It's among the best websites. It has some small gigs where you can create an account, and then once you go there, so for instance, I'm logging in, already have an account, so immediately I log in. So once I'm logged in, and then I can be able to use the jobs I want to work on. So let's log in and see how far it goes. So guys, as I'm telling you guys, Remote Task is one of the best. Sometimes though the base is very small, but the more jobs you're doing, the better for you guys. So check it on. Let's go straight to the video and see how far this website works. So that's the dashboard. You can see the task log, training. First of all, you have to go at training man, to understand how this website works. Once you've been trained, and then you can start applying for jobs that you feel you're most qualified for. And of course, once you've picked a job, ensure that you deliver your best, so that you get long-term clients who can give you consistent jobs without having to stop. So ensure that you can also refer, because you can earn some $10. You can do some promote the website to your friends, families, and then you're ready to go. So guys, that is it guys. So you can see how it goes. Also, let's check another website, which is called Fiverr.com. It's also one of the best websites. You can go to call a gig. A gig is like a job. If you're skilled in something, let's say like you're a graphic designer, so you have to get a gig. You have to describe yourself, like what you can do, what you can deliver, and then once you're in there, you can sign, and then you market your gig. right? Because those sellers, we have buyers and sellers. Now you're like a seller who's trying. So there's a buyer who's come to buy your gig. So once somebody is interested in your services, he can hire you for $5, and then you can do, and then he pays you. So you can do, see, if you're a logo designer, WordPress, video voiceover, video explainer, social media, all those jobs, man. So basically on this website, it's free to register. You just create your gig. Once you've created your gig, and then you're ready to go. So a gig is something like a skill you're showing yourself. It's like a profile. It's like a CV that you create, showing your skills and experience. So once somebody's interested in your skills, he will message you or he will hire you, and then you can negotiate depending on the complexity of the work. So Fiverr.com is the best website so far. You can make a lot of money, man, in terms of promoting your gigs. So it's the best. So you can during your free time, you can log in, and then you can register an account. But if you're looking forward to creating a gig, or if you're looking forward to have an account with this Fiverr.com, you can inbox me, or you can comment down. I'll do a very exclusive video like how to get a gig, that sells. Because your gig, the more marketable your gig is, the better for you. So you can go explore Fiverr.com, check it in, guys. So if you have the skills, and then this website is most probably for you guys. So another website is called TaskRabbit. If you are skilled in something, it can be a brand, but it can be anything. But this one now works in those countries like Canada, USA, England. So if you have a gig, or you have something, or you have a skill, you're a plumber, you are an electrician, uh, you are wiring, you're something, those skills, you are movie, nini, all those things, office delivery. If you have a service, or you have something you want to promote, or your skill, and then you can come in this website called TaskRabbit. Then you can list your skills. Once somebody is interested in your skills, and then it will hire you, and then you can organize how you can meet. It's a very website. See, you can become a tasker. So once you're logged in, and then you can choose your country. Those are the countries available. You can use them. Once you've been chosen, and then you can raise your services there. And at a late, let's say you are charging $20 per hour, and then you can list your services. If somebody's interested, then you get hired immediately. It's just among the best places. So if you are having skills, but you're strong to look for a job, and then most probably this website is for you. So that's the Sclabit, guys. So you can check it out during your free time and see how far the website works. So another website is We Work Remotely. It's also among the best websites. It's also the best jobs which pay some good amount of money. So you go to full stack programming jobs. We have mobile growth engineer. We have solidarity. You see, those are jobs depending on the skills you have. So you have to type a job that you're looking for, and with the skills, you can see there are a lot of jobs on this website. We Work Remotely, man. It's among the best websites where you can register a job, or you can go and find a job. You can apply, and once you're qualified, you can work remotely, or depending on the location. So you have to apply a job that is convenient. A job that you can work remotely. If you're not within that country, this company or this client wants you to work in. So you can check in. There are a lot of jobs from backend developers. We have sales and marketing. A lot of jobs, man. You can design jobs. I mean, all the skills are available on this website. So if you are skilled in something that you want to work on, and then this website is a must. You have to try and see how far the website works. So once you go there, you can check it, guys. So you can it's one of the best websites, man. So you have to check we have accounting jobs. I mean, like if you're an accountant and you know very well how to balance those those figures, you know how to balance receivables. So you can check in, guys, on this website. You can apply accounting jobs. It's not the most you have to be embraced an accountant. Most of you are like, I've applied so many jobs, but I have not gotten one job. But you can check on We Work Remotely, man. You can work remotely. Somebody may have a problem, and they may apply and may want to learn more. So guys, that is it. Hope the best, and see you back in another video, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Ensure, guys, you like the video, subscribe, like, and share, and let's to learn more. You can always leave your comment section, leave your feedback on what you think this video is all about. Thank you, guys, and see you in another video, guys.